Oh my God! Oh my God!
There's nothing better in this world that we could ever find.